What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Process for Profits. I am Puri, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And it's been a while since I came and talked to you guys. I know the economy's changing, the world is changing. Some of you may be fearful and not knowing what you're going to do next and what options you should take. And some of us don't even know, or some of you may not even know the history of the country in which you're in. So I'm a history buff. I like to read and educate myself, so I'm going to suggest a book for you guys. This book here. Can you see it? Capitalism in America, an economic history of the United States. This book will take you from the beginning of the country until 2016, and it'll bring you to here. At no time in this book was cleanliness never important. They discuss a lot of the things that wiped out people, and never in a time right now is cleanliness so important. A lot of you are sitting at home. You're not going to get that office job back. Maybe you already know. You may not get that warehouse job back. But even if you could, why would you want it? When right now, you know for a fact, people need things cleaned. Some of you may be even paying your children to clean around the house while they're home. I know my kids are getting paid for that, and I think it's pretty weird. But I want you guys to think about your future and why it doesn't behoove you to wait for a stimulus check, for a increased unemployment check. It behooves you right now to go to any building that's closed, or go to your Chamber of Commerce online and get a list of all the businesses in your area and call them. Ask them if they're closed. Tell them you are a cleaner and you have an opening. You see what I did there? Let's try it out. Hey, how you doing? I'm calling from ABC Cleaning Company, and we're calling because we have some openings this week, and we realize a lot of businesses in our area are closed due to the virus, and we're just trying to do our part in helping out. Do you guys currently have cleaners, or are you looking to get your building clean so you can open back up when the economy is able to open back up? Yes? No? Perhaps? Okay, thank you. You see what I just did there? I just guaranteed money. Now, you can't tell me you don't got time. You got time. You can't tell me you didn't stand in line to get bleach and everything you need to clean. You did. You got it. You have a mop. You have a broom. You have rags. You have old T-shirts. You have old socks. You have old pants. You have old shorts. There's absolutely zero reasons why we should be sitting stagnant. You got to want something more than what they're going to give you. You got to want something more than figuring out if this is real or if this is fake, if it's 5G, if it's 4G, whatever the problem is. You got to think about your future. And they used to rag on the cleaners, right? You didn't want to be a cleaner, but now the cleaners are kings and queens of the economy. We eating. Everything in every location has to be clean. Right now, for what OSHA is regarding and requiring for these construction sites, remember how we used to have phases of cleans? Rough, final, powder. Also, if you think about construction, these contractors are wanting to get these things done before the banks call loans due, before the economy crashes. 20 million more people don't got jobs, and they can't sell them to nobody. There's an opportunity. Start your cleaning company. Niche it down, be a construction cleaner. But do your part, do your service, and serving your fellow man in your community, and fill the gap in the low with virus cleaning jobs. You can do it. There's no reason why you guys can't do it. And for my pressure washers, my window cleaners, my painters, you guys need to get the Blueprint Service Business course too, because it's for you. It's for any business that you could start very little getting in the door. I'm not talking about a courier. You don't got to buy a van. You better have a car, or you can Uber, Lyft, whatever you need to do, however you need to get there. These are for entry-level service business jobs or service business owners. I want you guys to be owners, man. I want you guys to be owners like I am an owner. I'm not tripping. I have security. I'm still getting paid for my locations in Florida. And I still have the ability to go get more contracts. I don't have to wait on a stimulus check. And as far as we know, I think ours is coming damn near by Christmas. We'll get it on Christmas. So, I mean, can I wait on that? I don't have the luxury to be able to wait on that. I don't have children. So for those of you with children, you don't got the luxury to wait on that. You have to become providers. You have to become creators. Now you're in a position where you can't go out and consume. So why not think about creating? Doing something different. This book again. For everything everyone has to say about the school system, this book right here will give it to you. It's true. It's true. And the economy is going towards IT and AI. Think about it like this. What if this was the largest mass layoff of people up in age and jobs that can be farmed out for AI and less wages? I couldn't fire all the 60-year-olds if I wanted to, but I could furlough them and lay them off, and it kind of all makes sense in the middle of this. You're not getting those jobs back. You don't want those jobs back. You don't ever want to be put in a position like this again, to where they could just take it and do away with it. Conversely, I want to say to you guys, you don't want to feel bad about your money situation. I don't want you to feel bad about your money situation. I want you to change your money situation. And I'm going to give you an example. If major airlines and companies traded on the stock exchange cannot survive 3 weeks with a shutdown, that means they don't got cash either. And the majority of them did not keep all their employees. Let's keep it 100. MGM employees right over there. And they right over there. So don't feel bad if you're the American that don't got $300-400 in saving. Get busy. Definitely get busy and change that, but don't feel sad, because I'm sure if you could change your situation, you would. Now is your time to change the situation. I want you guys to take this government stimulus money, this unemployment money, everything they about to give extra. I want you guys to take it, bank it, and become creators. I mean, they giving $600 a week. That's an LLC. That's some postcards. That's a shirt with a logo on it, and off to the races. You're making money. Look at it in terms of that. You're not the only one suffering. You're not the only one going through this, and you are not alone. There's a lot of us going through this. I want to help you guys. I'm here to help. That's why the Blueprint is $99. A $2,000 course, $99. Because now is the time for everybody to go get money. That's my service to my fellow man. I want you guys to be successful. I want you guys to have options. I want you guys to have cash flow. I want you guys to have time freedom. And I know that with cleaning you can. With cleaning you will. With cleaning you should. You should. I'm not going to be one of those people that don't tell you to take the social services that you need right now in order to have some peace of mind, because mindset is everything. Your mindset's going to need to be wherever it needs to be before you choose to do something else. So you need to be well fed and well rested. So get what it is you need. I'm hoping you guys have worked and paid into the system. Get what it is you need, because you better believe these companies are getting what they need. I'm a business owner and I talk to a lot of business owners, and I'm telling you right now, the general consensus is, even with this PPP, there is no reason to bring my employees back when they benefit more with the juiced up unemployment. Okay? You're getting 1% loans. In order to keep you, which is a fluff, to keep the unemployment numbers down. But you've already been let go. And they already know that it benefits you more to sit at home. And they already know that if they ask you to come back, you're probably going to say, no, I'm going to sit at home. So while you're sitting at home and you're deciding to do these things differently, then I'm just going to say, get busy. Get busy. The world is changing around you, and I don't want you guys to get left. And this is one of the oldest, most simplest forms of business ownership that you can get into, that you can start with. So be sure, click the links below, like, subscribe, notification bell for the video. And I'm going to try and come back and keep you guys encouraged as much as I can, because I know right now it's pretty tough. It's tough for a lot of people. It's tough for a lot of people, and I know it. I know it's tough. Hell, it's getting tough for me, and I'm quarantined with all type of toys and goodies. But mentally, we got to be stronger, and we got to plan. So even if you don't plan and get my course, please educate yourself in this time. I don't know if this book, again, I'm going to put it up for you, because I think it's a dope book. It's a really informative book. It gives you the history of the country in which you live in. It's about a few hundred pages. Let me see. About 440 pages. And it goes through slavery, the robber baron, industrial area, military industrial complex. It goes through it all, man. And it'll get you up to speed of 2016, which is essentially right now. And you'll be able to form and understand that it's just going to keep changing. And it's better for me to be a business owner and be abreast of what's going on than to be a victim. So, all right, guys, I'm signing off. I wish you guys well. Enjoy your Easter. Eat good, be merry, and be thankful for what it is we do have, and be grateful. So, all right, signing off, guys. Peace.